Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some Christmas decor shopping. I am so excited. So our first stop is going to be Target, or as I like to call it, Target Me One of Everything. Who knows what show that is from? If you know what show that is from, you are amazing. We are, of course, starting out in the Target dollar spot. This is one of my favorite places in Target. I always love seeing their new holiday decor. Starting out with these little trees right here, I thought that these were the cutest little trees. They just have a nice realistic look, and I also love the bases of these. And then they had some of these trees right here. Loving the little buffalo check wrapping on the bottom. Again, these have a nice realistic look to them. They have so many cute little trees here, including this set right here. If you guys are looking for trees, definitely hit the Target dollar spot. I promise you will not be disappointed.
Making our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
We found some of these mini wreaths. I thought that these were very nice. You get a set of 3 of these. Again, these just have a nice realistic look to them. And then you guys, we found some of the cutest Christmas pillows ever. Target dollar spot always gets the best holiday pillows. These were only $5. I was so tempted to buy a bunch of these, but you guys know how many pillows I have, and I am so proud of myself. I only ended up bringing home one of these pillows. Can you guys guess which one it was? Next, we found some of the mug sets. They only had 2 of these. This stuff goes so fast, you guys. So if you see something, definitely grab it. If you change your mind, you can always return it. And then we also found some of these decanters right here. I thought that these were so nice for only $5. They have so many amazing goodies in the Target dollar spot right now. And I feel like every time I go into Target, they are putting out more. So like I said, if you are interested in getting any of these goodies, definitely get to Target because these sell out very fast. Alright guys, I ended up finding one other thing from the Target dollar spot that somebody had ditched over by the Hearth and Hand section, and it is this greenhouse displayer right here. I thought that these were so cool. I am grabbing one of these. I just wanted to quickly show you guys. And speaking of the Hearth and Hand collection, that is what we are going to be looking at next. So first of all, they have some of the cutest trees this year, you guys. I am in love with these little trees. They have these available in 3 different sizes, and I just love the little pots and how it looks like it has real dirt in them. And then this is another set of trees that I was also loving. The Hearth and Hand collection always has so many amazing goodies out at Christmas time.
Favorite holiday, it's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
One of my favorite things I found over here are these blankets with the tassels on them. I feel like these would make the perfect Christmas gift.
Chill, isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you.
Another thing that I always love in the Hearth and Hand collection is their stockings. I feel like they always have some of the nicest stockings, and they're also very affordable. I love this print right here. This one is definitely my favorite. And I'm going to say this again, I'll probably say this a few times in this video. If you see something, especially from this collection, do not wait to get it. A few years ago, I wanted a certain set of stockings in the Hearth and Hand collection, and I waited, and they were sold out, and I was so disappointed. And I don't know about you guys, but every single time if I wait to get something and then I come back and it's gone, I feel like I just want it 100 times more. Does that happen to any of you guys? Another one of my favorites from the Hearth and Hand collection is their wreaths. I actually own this one right here, and I also bought one for my mom a few years ago. The Hearth and Hand collection always has some of the nicest wreaths. I also love this one right here with the little pine cones on it. Alright guys, next moving into the regular Christmas section. So we ended up finding some of these signs right here. I loved all of these. My two favorites would have to be the Farm Fresh Christmas trees. I always love the ones that say Farm Fresh Christmas trees. And then this one that says Hot Chocolate Bar. I love this one so much that I decided to bring this one home with me. These little signs were only $5, which I thought was a great deal. And then we came across these signs right here. We believe in Santa Paws and peace, love, and belly rubs. Target has so many nice Christmas signs this year. If you guys are looking for signs, definitely check Target. We also found this really cool lantern right here. As you can see, it lights up. I thought that this was very pretty. I love how snowy it is.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas.
Target also has a great selection of stocking holders. I found this really pretty sparkly one. This one holds 4 stockings, as well as this one that says Merry Christmas. So if you guys are looking for stocking holders, definitely check Target. They have some very nice ones. I think out of all of the stocking holders, my favorite ones would have to be the ones that had the marble on them. I just feel like they have a nice, elegant look to them. And then I also love the one that looked like a big wooden present. I thought that one was really nice as well.
Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
We came across some more cozy blankets. I don't know what it is with these blankets with the pom-poms on them. I just love these so much. I just think that these are the nicest blankets ever. And then you guys, look how many Christmas pillows they have at Target. Target always has a ton of Christmas pillows. It is one of my favorite places to shop for pillows, as well as TJ Maxx and Home Goods. And I am so proud of myself. The only pillow I ended up leaving the store with is the one from the dollar spot. How adorable is this Hello Winter snowman doormat? Also loving this red one with the snowflakes, and then of course the little truck in the tree. Another one of my favorite sections at Target at Christmas time is the kitchen section. So first of all, they had some of these little baby rolling pins. They also had these in green, but they were gone the day that I filmed this video. I could not resist bringing one of these home with me. I am so excited for all of the Christmas goodies that I've recently picked up. If you guys would like to see a Christmas decor haul, give this video a thumbs up and I will definitely film one. Next, moving on to the mugs. I am so excited. I always love all of the mugs Target gets at the holidays. So some of my favorites were the little gingerbread people, as well as the gingerbread house. They had some adorable snowmen. And then these right here that said Mr. and Mrs. Claus. They also have a bunch of these mini waffle makers. If you guys go to Target often, you know that they always have holiday mini waffle makers. I think that these are just the cutest little things. So they have ones with Christmas trees, a gingerbread man, and then this one with the candy canes with a snowflake on it. They also had this really cool express mini donut maker. These are so much fun, you guys. I think I got one of these a few years back for Christmas, and we had so much fun making little mini donuts. I feel like all of these would make such great Christmas gifts. Here are a bunch more. They have a mini bun maker. I love the color of this one. I think that the mint is so pretty. I was really tempted to buy this mini dog treat maker. I actually might go back and get one of these. I've always wanted to try making some homemade dog treats. We actually own one of these everyday egg cookers, and let me tell you guys, this is amazing. We use it all the time. One thing I will say is you can get the egg cooker much cheaper at Walmart. I think we only paid $10 there. I think that these face masks would make the perfect stocking stuffers. I love the packaging on all of these. They're all so adorable. I kind of want to try it, this one right here. And then the glitter one, oh my goodness. Okay, I pretty much wanted to buy all of them. So as we were checking out, I spotted a bunch of new tumblers at Starbucks. I always get so excited when they have the new ones out. And let me just tell you guys, I'm gonna say it again. If you see one of these that you like, get it while you can because these sell out so fast. People buy these and sell them for double and triple the price. It is so crazy.
You love, we'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion.
Next, we are moving on to Hobby Lobby, and the first thing that we spotted when we walked in the door is this adorable countdown to Christmas snowman. Next, we moved on to looking at all of the gorgeous Christmas trees. Hobby Lobby has some of the nicest Christmas trees.
Isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do.
One of my favorite finds at Hobby Lobby would have to be these little snowy wreaths right here. I grabbed a few of these and I will be sharing soon what I plan on doing with them. Hobby Lobby had quite a few of these mini wreaths. They had some of these natural ones. I was kind of tempted to buy some of the natural ones. I thought those were very pretty. And then they had some of these flocked ones. I also thought that the flocked ones were gorgeous. Hobby Lobby is another great place if you are looking for Christmas signs or pictures. They have a great selection. Where else can you get a pig or a chicken wearing a Christmas wreath? I mean, come on.
Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else.
If any of you are doing a hot cocoa station and you are looking for adorable decor, definitely get to Hobby Lobby. I could not believe all of the cute little signs that they have. And again, this stuff is on sale for 50% off right now. I also wanted to mention, if you guys are looking for any of this decor, I would recommend getting out to the stores before Black Friday. Every single year, if I go to the stores after Black Friday looking for Christmas decor, I feel like everything is so picked over. I know a ton of people go out Christmas decor shopping on Black Friday and they are serious. They fill carts up with stuff. Oh my goodness. So definitely get out and grab all of the goodies you want before Black Friday. I think everything gets so picked over because a lot of people start decorating for Christmas on Thanksgiving weekend, including myself. I actually haven't put any of my Christmas decorations up. I know a bunch of people have already started with their Christmas videos pretty much the day after Halloween, but I actually still have some of my Halloween decor up. I know, it's pretty bad, but I really love Halloween. Like I said, I will probably start decorating on Thanksgiving weekend, so definitely be on the lookout for some Christmas decorating videos coming soon. So as you can see, we are currently looking at the cookie jars. These little Santas right here were one of my favorite finds. They had them available in the bigger cookie jar, the small canister, a soap dispenser, and then they also had them in salt and pepper shakers. Hands down, Hobby Lobby has some of the cutest cookie jars ever. They have the best selection. If you guys are looking for Christmas cookie jars, definitely check Hobby Lobby. You will not be disappointed. One thing that I didn't buy and now I'm kind of regretting is one of these reindeer treats bowls. I might have to go back and grab one of these. And then you guys, Bill spotted this I'm a cotton-headed Ninny Muggins mug, and now I just really want to watch Elf. We also spotted this marshmallow snowman mug that looked like a little s'more. Hobby Lobby definitely has some amazing mugs, and then this little mini marshmallow canister. Love this too. Hobby Lobby also has a ton of Grinch decor. The last thing we looked at Hobby Lobby was some of their Christmas ornaments. I was loving the little gingerbread house. They had donuts, they had candy canes, little sparkly macaroons, gingerbread people, cupcakes. Oh my goodness, they just have the cutest Christmas ornaments ever. They had a piece of pizza. Bill pointed that one out right away because I love pizza so much. They had a bunch of these giant lollipops, which were giving me Candyland vibes. That was one of my favorite games when I was a kid, kind of wanting to play Candyland now. But look how pretty these are, you guys. And then they also had some different cupcakes. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me today. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you did, and also if you are excited to see my Christmas decorating videos and a Christmas decor haul. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you in my next video.
Christmas in my